you got everything? Oh my god. Hello. Let's try this again. It's freaking hot. It's hot, guys. Yup, there she goes again. Jesus, guy. Let's say, what's going on there? What's going on? Motor? No, engine. It's the only way to keep you quiet. You forgot to record him taking off the flywheel, but that might be essential to getting it on the engine stand. What?
When one of you grab the starter, hold that starter, Caddy. You might want to get.
Sus boy. Ta-da! Yeah, don't mind the 1,000-pound Cummins just dangling through the air.
I'm gonna hook
Oh,
from the back.
okay. Jesus.
You want me to?
Let the breakdown begin for the crank swap. PG rated. Okay. Yep. Close enough.
Cheers.
Get my bro caught my sweaty ass in 4K.
Yeah. Cinematic too. But
The wide angle sweaty Chris.
this guy, it's done.
Oh, she's fine.
No,
She's fine. I'm a mechanic.
There.
Look at this.
You're a who?
Look, it's all fine. It's all fine. It's all good.
Up here, maybe. It depends on after how that bracket comes off.
What bracket?
Yeah, he's just ignoring the problem. But yeah, no, there's a couple chunks in there. Retro Raggy.
Good thing you got another head sitting.
I
Oh.
like my peanut butter.
Yeah.
Chunk it! Oh my god!
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Jesus.
That's
Not
what I mean.
fibbing. Not fibbing.
I don't know where that's coming from either.
Engine.
Yeah, Captain Obvious. Came from the freaking woods. That's where we planted it. We planted it in the Moda.
Planted a Cummins tree.
Yeah, right. No, that's not.
I wonder if I was tapping valves.
I wonder if you were just fucking shit up.
Well, this engine had no head when I bought it, so
Oh.
No head. That's not good.
you know.
As the bird flies in.
No kidding.
Oh,
use my credit card.
If we're gonna do it, we gotta do it now though, so we can get back in time.
National Geographic.
Well, we'll just run it. We'll just go there
Yo.
after.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
We'll just go
What
there
up, little
after.
dudes?
Just go there.
So if you guys previously have seen the other videos in regards to what the issue was having a mixed match of years, those chunks are not that. Those chunks are plastic. What that is yet, but that's what was coming out of the block. You don't even know what you're doing.
Huh? I know what a thumb is.
Yeah, you do.
That runs pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sat for 10 years. All he did was put the fuel pump and the tank in it and some spark plugs. 1983 Eldorado has came back. Break the Cummins, fix the Caddy. It's for sale if anybody wants to buy it. And then the GTO. Gave it a little wash. So, came to the conclusion that that was plastic, and timing is off. So he's gonna do that, do the crank swap, and we will see if this thing will live to see another day. What? Hey, yo, that's rude. My boy, you don't even know how to run that. I had to show you how to start it the other day. Yeah, dude's trying to start it handle in. But yeah, that's gonna be it.